What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Yo, it's your boy Nori out for a little ride today. And I'm going to head down to my local Harley to sign up for the 2022 Carolina Challenge. That is the tour card program. Let's talk about that right after this. Hey, like I said, I was on my way to the Harley so I could sign up for the 2022 Carolina Challenge. All right, it's a tour card program that the Harley Davidsons down here put on. It's called the Carolina Harley Davidson Dealers Association. There's about 17 dealers that are actually involved in it from down here. And what they normally do is every year, usually around, like either May or June to the end of November, they have this challenge where you sign up at your local Harley. They give you this card, all right, and I'm going to pop the card up here on the screen for you so you can see what it looks like. And you have to visit at least 13 out of the 17 dealers, get their stamps, and then submit your tour card, and then your name gets put into a raffle to win. Well, this year is going to win a motorcycle, right? And that's every year, to win a motorcycle. But this year, what the raffle is a 2022 Pan America. All right, that's this year's grand prize. So yeah, I'm going to enter into that and try my luck, right? And for me, at least, I don't expect to win anything, but for me, it's all about the riding. So I'm gonna just get out there and ride to all these dealers and have some fun, right? And that's what it is for me, at least. That's what for me, that's what this program does. It incentivizes you to get out there and ride your motorcycles. And at the end of that rainbow, you might be able to win a new of the year Harley Davidson motorcycle. I mean, what can beat that? You know what I'm saying? You're going to ride anyway. Hopefully you're going to ride anyway, right? But you're going to ride anyway. So why not join in on the fun of your chances to win? But that's not even the only prize that they're giving. That is the grand prize, right? But they do have other categories for other prizes, right? And the other prizes are: one, a $500 HD gift card; second, a $300 HD gift card. And I'm going to post the rules up here as well, okay? I'm going to post the rules so you all can see them. But yeah, and for those prizes, for the gift card prizes, what that equates to is your mileage. So at the same time you're entering into the challenge for the grand prize, excuse me, you also get entered into a mileage prizes. So, and it has two categories. Basically, it has a gender category, male and female category, gender, and an age bracket. Okay, so that's how you can win the $500 or the $300 gift cards, is by those. So if you have the highest mileage in your age bracket, male, let's say for me, male, then hey, I got my chances at winning the $500 gift card. Or if I come in second place for mileage in my gender and age bracket, then I can win a $300 gift card. So I mean, there's three ways of winning when you're entering this, and all you have to do is ride your motorcycle. What more can beat that? I'm out here riding just to ride anyway, all right, because I love to ride, so why not? Now these 17 dealers, all right, they're not just in South Carolina, all right. I know the name is Carolina Challenge, so these 17 dealers come from South Carolina, North Carolina, one dealer from Virginia, and one dealer from Georgia. All right. So, and I don't remember all the dealerships off the top of my head. They're on the tour card. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen, or I should say, I'm going to post a link to the website in my description block. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So that way, if you're interested in this, and you're in the North, South Carolina, Virginia, or Georgia area, maybe you should look into it and enter into the contest. You know, the more the merrier. I say, hell, I just want you all to get out there and ride. That's what the hell I want. You know what I'm saying? Get out there and ride. But yeah, or maybe you could see, if you're not in this area, maybe you can see that about visiting your dealership and seeing if they provide something like this. I know of 2 other folks in the Northeast that are participating in this tour card program challenge, and I don't know what the name of it is up there, but I know one person is Robles on 2. If you don't know who that is, I'm going to post her YouTube link in my description so you all can look at her channel as well, and maybe subscribe to it. She's currently, her and her husband is currently doing the tour card. They've already signed up. They had different dates for them up there, right? That's one. The second one that I know that's doing this also is Roy from Roy's Moto Ventures. I'm going to post his YouTube link in my description as well, so you all can click on it and look at some of his videos and hopefully subscribe, because they're all doing, and he's doing it with his brother, all right, and his brother owns a Honda Goldwing DCT model that's doing, I don't know if he's just doing it just to ride along with his brother Roy, or he's actually entered himself. That I don't know, but go ahead and go over there and give him a sub. All right. That's all I really have today. I wanted to put that out there for you all, because maybe your dealers are doing the same thing and you just don't know about it. Maybe you could inquire about it. Okay. I'm just trying to put that information out there for you all. My thing is, I want you all to just to get out and ride. You know what I'm saying? And enjoy what you love to do the most. So, with that being said, I don't have anything else for you, just that information. And along with me wanting you to get out and ride, I also want you to enjoy your ride.